Los Angeles was rocked by protests after massive ICE raids. The National Guard stepped in. Chaos followed. Here's the full story in just 3 minutes. On June 6th, ICE launched surprise raids across LA, targeting undocumented immigrants. Over 40 people were detained from places like factories and home supply stores. Videos of families being taken spread quickly, and the public reaction was instant. By June 7th, streets filled with protesters. People blocked highways and gathered outside detention centers. Some protests were peaceful, others turned tense. Police used tear gas. Protesters lit cars on fire. Nearly 60 people were arrested. Even union leaders were injured and detained. To control the situation, over 2,000 National Guard troops were sent to Los Angeles. This was one of the largest federal responses to a local protest in recent history. Leaders like California's governor and LA's mayor called it unnecessary and dangerous, but the president defended the action, saying it was needed to restore order. This is more than a protest. It's a mirror of how divided the country is. What do you think? Comment your thought. Businesses closed, streets emptied. Daily earnings for local vendors dropped by over 80%. Inside detention centers, detainees said they lacked clean clothes and hygiene. Public pressure grew. Lawmakers began visiting the facilities and demanding change. Subscribe and like for more information.